In front of me is Redmi A3 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top of it. Then hit Theme section and tap on all of those dots at the top right corners of all of those categories. This way you will see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders by tapping on this switcher. And to save your keyboard, hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. If you want to customize it, go back to the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on one of your pictures that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!